naman kung anong liit mo, ganun din yung cake. Pati yung piano ang liit eh. Pati yung mic eh. Mabigat ba? Mabigat? Maraming salamat. Thank you. Thank you. Wow.
Ogie.
Yes.
There is no one else like you. Thank God!
Why?
There is no one more talented than
No.
you. You write songs, you sing songs, you make us laugh, you make us cry. The soundtrack of our life belongs to you. This is your birthday. Thank you so much for your music and all that you do. I think maybe the one who should be speaking is your one and only love.
Oh.
Regine, what is your message for your asawa?
Ganda naman ito.
My message is, i-ready mo na yung credit card mo, magsha-shopping ako bukas. Thank you very much.
Kakasabi ko lang maganda ka eh.
Sorry.
Hindi ba pumunta tayo dun sa $1 store?
Nagaganda ako.
$1 store, pakyawin mo na lahat doon.
Ayoko doon.
Sorry.
May $500 ako eh.
Hindi ko pala dapat malibre sa
Batay bata yun, batay
Hindi.
bata.
My message is, honey, I will forever support you in anything that you do. Alam mo yung pagmahal mo yung tao, minsan naiisip ko, siguro kahit mali yung ginagawa ng asawa ko, I'll support you anyways. Pero hindi ibig sabihin, ikukod din ako yung
mga mali.
mali.
Ikukod
Oo,
yun.
pero I will support you in anything, in everything and anything that you will do. And I will love you every single day of your life.
Kiss! Oh! Dami nagre-request, no? Shopping.
Uy, kiss naman, oh.
Thank you.
I don't think the director got that. Director, are you ready?
Okay.
We need to close up. Take two. Kiss naman, oh, kiss! Yeah!
Nahiya kasi ako eh.
Your message, Ogie.
Nahiya ako. Isa pa nga. O ngayon naman yung Torit. Ay, sorry.
All right. That's enough.